Moreno Valley, get ready to experience confidence, comfort, and absolutely no compromise when it comes to your water lines. When disaster strikes beneath your feet, a mysterious wet spot on your floor, a sudden spike in your water bill, or the sound of running water when all is quiet, you need someone you can trust to protect the sanctuary you call home or the vital business you run. That's where Pure Valley Plumbing comes in, standing tall as Moreno Valley's leader in professional slab leak detection. Imagine the peace of mind you'll feel knowing a team of 120 skilled plumbing pros, backed by award-winning service and 5 fully loaded vans, is on the job for you, day or night, 24/7, every day of the year. Whether you're in the heart of North Moreno Valley, the growing community of Rancho Belago, or right next to the March Air Reserve Base, Pure Valley Plumbing is on standby, ready to rush to your rescue in under 60 minutes. Leaks hide. Pure Valley finds them using advanced detection technology and over 7 years of local expertise. No more guesswork. No more stress. Using cutting-edge tools, our licensed and insured team pinpoints the exact source of a hidden slab leak, saving you time, money, and unnecessary damage to your property. From busy commercial facilities to family homes, every floor matters, every drop counts. Pure Valley Plumbing isn't just a service. It's Moreno Valley's trusted partner in protection, with solutions built on integrity, reliability, and a legacy of excellence recognized throughout Riverside County. Because when it comes to leaks under your slab, you don't have a moment to lose. Every action shot highlights Pure Valley's unmatched precision, dedication, and speed. We believe in transparent solutions, a satisfaction guarantee with every call, and a 12-month warranty to back up our work. Why wait for water to take control? Restore your foundations, literally and figuratively, with Pure Valley Plumbing. Choose local strength, choose certified expertise, choose the peace of mind you deserve. For slab leak emergencies, new builds, or routine checks, invite the best name in the Inland Empire into your property today. Moreno Valley, let's protect what matters most, together. Pure Valley Plumbing. Your leak stops here. Your confidence starts now.